welcome to the unboxing of the Inalsa FRYLIGHT air fryer. There's an image of this particular air fryer on this box right over here. There you can see this is what it's supposed to look like. I will obviously show it to you. This is from Taurus Group, which is a Spanish company. This is an air fryer for oil-free cooking, for a healthy lifestyle, and it also comes with 2 years of warranty. What more information do we have? Let's quickly take a look on this side. Over here it's written that it runs on 240 volts and has a power of 1400 watts. This particular box contains one air fryer unit, a food basket, a cooking pan, a recipe booklet, instruction manual, and warranty card. Color is black and silver. Any other information? Let's quickly take a look. There you go, a lot of information on this side. It says 2.9 liter food basket and 4.2 liter cooking pan capacity. So this is the capacity of the two containers it comes with. Cool touch handle with basket release button, adjustable temperature and time control, power and heating LED indicator lights, safe to operate, power off on basket removal, basically auto switch off, and as mentioned earlier, 1400 watt machine powers this particular air fryer. Now let's open this box and show you what's inside. There are some documents here. Let's quickly look at these documents. So this is the recipe book from Inalsa. There you go. This is the recipe book from Inalsa. A lot of interesting recipes here that you can try out using this particular machine. This is the 6 months extended warranty card from Inalsa. There you can see. And this is also a warranty card. Instruction manual come warranty card from Inalsa. Everything that you need to know about this particular product you will find over here. There you go. This is what the air fryer looks like. I'll show you the front part. This is what it looks like. So you can see this is what the air fryer looks like. This is the food basket which you just pull out like this. I'll show you the proper way of doing it. So you press this button over here. I don't know if you can see this. There. You press this button and then you pull it out like so. Okay, it's sealed. I don't want to remove the seal. Okay, you know what? Let's remove the seal and show it to you. It really is sealed. Just open it just slightly so that you can see. So this is closed, and press this button and pull. This is your food basket right over here. There's some added elements over here as well. I'll quickly check what these are. So essentially this is the frying pan where all the frying happens. And this is the food basket where this is where you put all the food items, and you put it in here. Then you put it in the fryer. Like so. And once you put that in, you basically now put in your settings. This is your temperature control, this is your timer control. Once all of this is done, you just wait for the cooking to actually happen. On the top over here, we have some more information. There you can see them now. It says 120 degrees for 15 to 22 minutes. So basically, there's a kind of a legend for what all temperature you need for what kind of food item right over here. Also notice the Inalsa logo and FRYLIGHT logo right on top. Overall, this particular fryer comes with a piano black finish. It's a very sleek looking fryer with a very nice design on it. And on this side you have a 240 volt power plug. There you can see. This is what the plug looks like. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Inalsa FRYLIGHT air fryer. Thank you for watching.